Open the Panopto application on your computer. You may need to open your Applications folder to find the application. When you open Panopto, you will be prompted to log into the server. At this point, you need to indicate which server you would like to access. Enter gauchocast.hosted.panopto.com in the field labeled Server, and then click Go. Enter your GauchoSpace credentials in one of the two login fields, then click Login. Once you've signed into Panopto, your screen will look like this. First, we're going to explore the folder area at the top. When you click on the drop-down next to Folder, all of the folders that you have access to will be listed. Course folders that are properly provisioned can be viewed by your entire class. If you store your recording in a course folder, it will automatically be available to students through the GauchoCast block in GauchoSpace. My folder is a private folder on GauchoCast. If you upload a video to this folder, you have the option to make changes or preview the video before then moving it to the requisite course folder. If you are not in a location with reliable internet, yet you have ample storage on your device, select Offline Recording from the drop-down. In this case, the video can be uploaded to the GauchoCast servers at a later time. For now, select My Folder. Next, test the microphone and the camera. Select the accurate audio source, then try speaking. Make sure your voice is registering on the meter below the audio source. If it is not registering, try a different audio source. If you are still having trouble, you may need to explore the audio setting on your computer before you continue. Next, we'll select our primary and secondary video sources. The primary source is the smaller box on the left side. The secondary sources are in the larger box on the right. Let's address the primary source. Use the Video drop-down menu to select your primary video. This is where a presenter's talking head will appear if you select the camera installed on your device. You may also select any external cameras. Now on to the secondary source. Using Panopto, you may select up to 2 secondary sources. Using both secondary sources is especially effective if you would like to display a document camera or an annotation device. To toggle between secondary sources, select Secondary 1 or Secondary 2 at the top of the box. To change a secondary source, click the Source drop-down and select your preference. Typically, the secondary source 1 is used to capture a built-in display. Anything opened on the built-in display, including PowerPoint annotations, animations, and/or websites, will be recorded. The final settings to review are the Slides box in the lower left-hand corner. If you are using PowerPoint or Keynote, check the box next to the relevant program. This setting enables Panopto to create an index of your slides, making it easier for students to navigate your presentation. Please note, this setting will not record any transitions or animations on your presentation. At this point, take a few minutes to familiarize yourself with the settings on Panopto. When making test recordings, it is best to create very short videos, no more than 30 seconds. Take this opportunity to play with the settings and create a personal best practice. If you are using a laptop, place it on a stable surface. Moving the computer around makes a lot of noise in your recording, which is difficult to edit out.